While that's loading, we can eat these last airheads. And it has hair on it, but I can get it off. Or throw these in the trash because it has hair on it anyway. Ew. Hair on it. That burp. So gross. I'll show you my scrunchies. This is one of my scrunchies. It's a white scrunchie. This is one of my bracelets, actually. It's a heart-shaped bracelet. I have another one that is a triangle and it's pink. I have another bracelet and it's a Hello Kitty bracelet. I have another scrunchie and it's tropical. It's a tropical scrunchie. I have another one and it's a black scrunchie. And that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna eat these the rest of the airheads. Oh, wait, hold on. Renegade. Oh, renegade. Renegade. Ooh. I love these. They're good. Didn't even notice it meant to take a moment. You gotta keep me focused. You wanna say so? You wanna say so? Didn't even notice. I'm about to start to roll. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? I can be your sugar when you're peanut butter, sweet spot. Can be your man, baby, and I need a J.O.D. right? I can be your cherry apple, pecan or your key. Now I got everything and so much more that she's got.